In this video, I want to show you some of the built-in dashboard reports that you'll find in Microsoft Project. A number of years ago, Microsoft replaced the old printed reports in Microsoft Project with a new feature called dashboard reports. I love dashboard reports, but I'll guarantee you they are an underutilized feature in Microsoft Project. So let's take a look at them now and let's get started. Microsoft Project includes a powerful reporting engine that generates a number of graphical dashboard reports. The beauty of these reports is that they are automatically updated every time you edit your project. And if you want to use any of these dashboard reports, you can view them, print them, or export them to another Microsoft Office application. Each dashboard report includes the following major elements: tables that are based on the table functionality found in Microsoft Word, charts that are based on the charting functionality found in Microsoft Excel. Dashboard reports also include a minor element known as text boxes that are used to display labels for the tables and charts in the report. Here's the project overview report for a project. Notice it includes one chart and 3 tables and 3 sets of text boxes. So let's go ahead and look at a few of the dashboard reports included with Microsoft Project. To use the dashboard reports feature in Microsoft Project, click the Report tab to display the report ribbon. In the middle of the ribbon, you'll find the View Report section with a number of pick list buttons. If you click the New Report pick list, this will allow you to create a new dashboard report. If you click the Dashboards pick list, you'll see a number of built-in dashboard type reports. If you click the Resources pick list, you'll see a couple of built-in resource reports. If you click the Costs pick list, you'll see a number of built-in cost reports. And if you click the In Progress pick list, you'll see a number of In Progress reports. Interestingly enough, if you click the Getting Started pick list, you'll see a number of built-in reports that are designed to help you become familiar with using dashboard reports. If you click the Custom pick list, you'll see any custom reports that you've created. If you click the Recent pick list, you'll see any dashboard reports that you viewed during the current session with Microsoft Project. And if you manage your projects using Agile project management methodologies, the Task Boards pick list contains a number of task board reports. Let's go ahead and take a look at a few of the dashboard reports. First of all, when I click the Dashboards pick list, I'd like to take a look at the Project Overview report. This was actually shown in the PowerPoint presentation. We can see there's a percent complete table, a milestones due table, a late tasks table, and a percent complete chart. Now let's go back to the Report ribbon, and this time let's look at a resource report known as Resource Overview. In this report, I can see a resource stats chart, a work status chart, and then in the lower left corner, I can see a resource status table. Again, we'll go back to the Report ribbon, When I click the Costs Pick list, I'd like to look at a report called Cash Flow. This is a really interesting report. It has a very large table up at the top. It's got a chart. It's also got a very big text box. And then in the lower left corner, we can see an unnamed table and the costs for the high-level summary tasks in the project. If I go back to the report ribbon one final time and click the In Progress reports, let's go ahead and look at the Milestone report. There's a table called Late Milestones. Well, this is good. There's no milestones that are past due. There's a table called Milestones Up Next. We can see that there is a milestone due during the current month of May 2028. That's good. And we can also see in the completed milestones table that there are 3 milestones that have been attained so far in the project. There's also a chart in the upper right corner that compares the number of completed tasks in the project with the number of remaining tasks. Completed tasks are the orange line, and the blue line is the remaining tasks. So that's a little overview of dashboard reports in Microsoft Project. So now you know the different types of dashboard reports that are available in Microsoft Project. And you also know the various elements that comprise a dashboard report as well. I sure hope you found this video useful to you. If you did, be sure and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification button, give the video a like, and I hope you will share it with your colleagues. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.